Good morning, student. I am your computer teacher Shilpa Chauhan. Today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 7, graphics in QBasic. Control statement. The statement that are used to control the execution of a program are known as control statement. Okay, so in QB64, the statements like if then, go to, if then else, if then else if are used to check the condition and repetition of the actions. Fine. So let us see if then statement. If then statement is used to check conditions in the program. It executes the program depending on the results on decision. The statement evaluates the program decision and results are only in true or false. Okay, it gives the result in the form of true or false. The syntax for if then statement is if condition then statement end if. So if the condition mentioned with if is true, then the statement with then is executed. If the condition is false, then the statement is not executed. Fine. Generally, the relational operators like greater than, smaller than, is equal to, greater than or equal to, okay, are used to specify the conditions. Let us see the example. Now, in this example, we are going to check if a number is greater than 10. Okay. Now, see the first command, that is the print command, to find out if a number is greater than 10. Input, enter a number. Fine. So, if n is greater than 10. So, here we have given the condition. Okay. So, this condition will compare the number with 10. Okay. So, if we have given the number like 54. Okay. So, 54 is greater than 10. Yes. So, the condition is satisfied. Means it is true. Then, you will get the message number is greater than 10. Okay. And at last, the end of the if statement and end of the program. Okay. So, in this program, the expression will execute if the condition is true. And here the condition is true. Yes, 54 is greater than 10. Okay. Now, next one is the go to statement. Okay. Now, go to statement is used to transfer the program control from one statement to another. Okay. So, the syntax for go to statement is go to line number. Okay. So, for example, let us find the square of natural number less than 25. Okay. So, in QBasic, whenever any object is enclosed in the square bracket, it means that it is optional. Fine. So, here statements are given. First one is the input command, input number n. If n is greater than 25, then print a. Okay. And the value of a is n multiplied by n. Then else, go to 50, like end if statement. Okay. So, here by using the input command, user can give input. Fine. And if n is less than 25, okay, here we are going to compare the number with 25. Fine. And print a is equal to n multiplied by n. This expression will get executed if the condition is true. Then else go to 25 means what? If the above condition is false, then the control of the program shifts to the line 50. And the last one is the end if statement. This is nothing but the end of the if statement. And end statement means what? End of the program. So you will get, if your number is 7, then 7 is less than 25. Okay. So then, yes, 7 is less than 25. Then print a is equal to n multiplied by n. So 7 multiplied by 7. Then you will get the value of a is equal to 49. Okay. This is what the go to statement. Next one is the if then else statement. Now if then else statement is an extension of the if then statement. Okay. In if then statement, if the condition is true, then and then only the expression get executed. Okay. But in if then else statement, it offers you the solution for true statement and for false statement. Okay. So let us see the syntax. If condition, then statement, else statement, end if. Let us see one example. Okay. For example, to find if a number is greater than or smaller than 10 using the if then else statement. Fine. So here first is the print command to find if a number is greater or smaller than 10. Okay. So this is what the title of the program. Okay. Second one is the input enter a number n. So here user can give the input as per their choice. Okay. Now the third one is if n is greater than 10, then print a number is greater than 10. If the value of n is greater than 10, then you will get the result like number is greater than 10. Okay. So here we take 9 number. Okay. User gives 9 number. Fine. So 9 is greater than 10? No, it is not greater than 10. So else part get executed. Okay. So in else part, the message is number is smaller than 10. Fine. So here you will get the result that number is smaller than 10. Okay. So this is what the if then else statement. Fine. Next one is the if then else if statement. Okay. So here the multiple ifs can be combined together to form if then else if. Okay. Every else if used in the code can be test a different condition followed by the expression to be executed. Means what? Multiple conditions are given. Fine. Condition inside the condition. Okay. So let us see the syntax for it. If condition 1, then statement 1 will be executed. Else if condition 2, then the statement then the next statement get executed. Else if condition 3, then the statement 3rd gets executed and end of the program, end if. Okay. For example, to check if a number is greater than or smaller than or equal to 10. Here 3 conditions are given: greater than, smaller than, or is equal to. Okay. In first case, only one condition is given. In if then statement, if the condition is true, then and then only that expression get executed. Okay. In if then else statement, whether your expression is true or false, you get the result. Okay. And here you are going to give multiple conditions. Okay. So let us see the example. Print to find if a number is greater than or smaller than or equal to 10. This is what the title of our program. Okay. First condition is n is greater than 10. Okay. Second condition is n is less than 10. And third condition is n is equal to 10. Okay. So here in user gives the input as 7. So let us check the first condition. 7 is greater than 10? No, this is false. Next condition, 7 is less than 10? Yes, 7 is less than 10. So the second one condition will be executed. Okay. Number is smaller than 10. Fine. The third one condition is n is equal to 10. That is 7 is equal to 10. This is also not executed. Okay. So in this way we finish the chapter. Thank you student and have a nice day.